A Khan Market brand is never a real estate decision. It's always a positioning decision.
I caught my attention. I said, "What are you selling?" He said, "Sir, we sell acai bowls." I said, "What is an acai bowl?" It's a berry which comes from the Amazon rainforest. Kept looking in the nicest places of the country, but again could not find it. So that's where I found the opportunity.
Are you guys aware that it'll take quite a lot to kind of outlive an Instagram trend?
Because when you see it on Instagram, people fall in love with the appearance of it. Like a green drink looks beautiful in a fancy glass, right? That's why the trend dies.
It's a berry which is organically, it's a 100% organic product.
Okay.
Grown only in the Amazon rainforest. We wanted to create a QSR based on a superfood.
What does it take to kind of get a space in Khan Market?
The kind of obscene rent we were paying. I think Manhattan में भी शायद वो rent नहीं होगा जो हमें space का दे रहे हैं. In Khan Market, because it is the central most point of the city, and most diplomats live around, and this is their go-to market.
But to be able to penetrate within the mass markets, if you're not looking at mass markets, people in general in India would obviously have a couple of doubts about कि यार fruits के 500 रुपए दे रहा हूँ.
जिस दिन आपकी daughter मार्केट ना के बोलेगी कि मुझे लाइफ पेरी पे आसाई बोल खाना है, उस दिन आपको आप सवाल का जवाब खुद मिल जाएगा. एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू से इट इज अ डेली कंज्यूमर ऑफ आसाई. कस्टमर आके बोलता है कि मुझे हेल्दी खाना है, लेकिन उसको हेल्दी खिलाओ तो उसको हेल्दी खाना नहीं है.
He is not buying the nutrition but the perception of.
उसको परसेप्शन चाहिए.
Before it even came to a brand, Manav, or let's say even a product, there wasn't even a category, so you had to be the category creator. Do you think it's been settled or it's been created to an extent जहाँ पर अब चल सकता है?
Suddenly, all cafes in the city, in the country, want acai on the menu. हर आदमी acai बेच रहा है या नहीं बेच रहा, वो acai बोल बेच रहा है.
Give us an idea of where are things and where are you headed?
So, आज जितने restaurants, जितने cafes खुल रहे हैं, any place that sells breakfast and coffee is my potential customer. I believe in creating the next unicorn in this category because ये कोई कर ही नहीं रहा.
Who is a tougher customer to build for? Someone who's health conscious or someone who's wealth conscious?
People who lack the knowledge are difficult customers, but health conscious people, they're...
What's an unnecessarily expensive cost attachment that customers willingly pay in the name of healthy eating?
Oh, I've got a big list with this. I've got a very, very long list.
Give me 3.
You know, I don't know if I should be saying this, but being healthy cannot be this difficult. It is so simple. आप घर का दाल रोटी पनीर खा के इतने healthy रह सकते हो. You don't need to eat all these fancy things to be healthy.
One thing everybody thinks they know about Khan Market, but they're completely wrong.
They always think that it's a very niche market, only specific to certain people or age groups. That's
a Khan Market brand is never a real estate decision. It's always a positioning decision.
Of course, always has been. So first of all, outlets are not available in the market. So there's a long queue, and an outlet which is of this ticket size is not available at all.
On the ground floor.
Let alone a whole store. छोटा तो है ही नहीं market में. And being lucky enough to find a store in Khan Market, especially in the area where food is available.
Right.
If you enter from this side, so most people that enter the Khan Market, they are dropped off in front of our store. So when you enter the market,
that's what
you
I
have to cross us.
Yeah.
So after 2 months, we were lucky enough again to have another store besides us, which was about to be vacated.
But were you always clear about Khan Market as a positioning effort?
So 2019 was a year actually when I started really taking good care of myself, and I was traveling around and I noticed this product. I've always read about it, but I never tried it. We were in a mall, myself, Rupam and my daughter. She was quite young back then. So then I noticed it's one of these stores that had some fruit pictures on it. So, you know, being a fruit person myself and, you know, looking at a brand where there's fruits displayed, I walked up.
Got your attention?
I got my attention. I said, "What are you selling?" He said, "Sir, we sell acai bowls." I said, "What is an acai bowl?"
And where was this exactly?
In Dubai.
Okay.
In Dubai. I said, "What's an acai bowl?" She said, "Sir, acai bowl is an acai bowl. It's a berry which comes from the Amazon rainforest." I said, "Whatever. You serving whey protein, you're serving fruits. I'm already a fan.
Right.
So I might as well try." So that's when I tried it for the first time. absolutely fell in love with it. And I, like a typical, Delhi guy, I thought I'll try and look for it in Delhi. Maybe I've never tried it because I've never been one of those healthy people who would only look at healthy options. But when I'd come back to Delhi, I'll go and give it a go. I started looking up. है ही नहीं, दिल्ली में छोड़ो, बॉम्बे, बैंगलोर, हैदराबाद.
Concept ही नहीं था इंडिया में.
Concept ही नहीं था. I could not find anything called an acai bowl in India. Kept looking on all these e-commerce platforms, quick commerce platforms. I went to all these gourmet, very high-end retail stores in the nicest places of the country, but again could not find it. So that's where I found the opportunity.
Right.
What I always struggled going out. So I was one of those people who would have dinner at home and then go out for dinner with family. Where I'd be just sipping water or sparkling water, and I'd be that'll be my what can I do? So following a very strict regime, getting up early in the morning, jaldi sona, jaldi uthna, or so that is where I saw the opportunity, because wherever I would go, I would not find anything which is healthy for real. Everybody claims it's healthy, but it's actually not healthy. A lot of things.
Yeah, but that is why I was getting at, Manav, and also Anmol, because in India, people usually like to follow a trend,
Yeah.
And health, as you understand, might also be a trend. Who knows?
Yeah.
Because are you guys aware that it will take quite a lot to kind of outlive an Instagram trend?
Yeah.
To be able to sustain and stay relevant, because be it matcha, be it boba tea, or anything at all, जब तक उसका क्रेज थोड़ा सा सेटल डाउन होता है, तब तक वो भी फेज आउट हो जाता है.
Like you mentioned, matcha, boba. Matcha being a tea, it has a specific flavor. You have to have that acquired flavor to have it regularly. India being a tea drinking country, so वो एक बहुत बड़ा gap है. Me personally, I'm not a fan of matcha. You need to add oat milk, or you need to add mango puree or something like that to make me have matcha. Right? Otherwise, having just matcha with water, not my flavor. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे लोग हैं country में. That's why the trend dies, because when you see it on Instagram, people fall in love with the appearance of it. Like a green drink looks beautiful in a fancy glass, right? But जैसे ही ज़बान पे लगती है, you know, not your flavor. Now coming back to acai. Acai is a fruit, and Indians love fruits. आप बचपन से देखोगे, हमारे माँ बाप ने भी हमें fruits खिलाए हैं. Because we are rich with fruits, abundant है इस country में already. Now you cannot fulfill the need of Indian consumer with just the Indian fruit. You have to import it as well, right? बाहर से कितना fruit आने लग गया, और आता है, आप fulfill ही नहीं कर सकते.
Of course.
वो इस वजह से क्योंकि consumption है. Yes, consumption क्योंकि इतनी है. And उसी वजह से when you try acai for the first time, you will already fall in love with it, because वो एक fruit है. Now mix it with dry fruits, mix it with granola, mix it with other fruits on top. वो ऐसा familiar flavor है कि वो already you must have had it somewhere, और कहीं ना कहीं से relate कर सकते हो, but ultimately प्यार कर लोगे.
Right. But people in India, I believe that they were always eating out for indulgence. That's the norm.
Yeah.
कि यार healthy तो घर पे भी खा सकते हैं.
We just wanted to make it cool and sexy to eat healthy.
Yeah.
That's why the appearance is such. Objective was to bring acai to India and give it to cafe owners and do a B2B business like a typical family business is into we're in the F&B category. Yeah. So we've always been B2B players. And the idea here was also to get into the B2B space where so many cafes are popping up every day.
Right.
So I think it can be a key ingredient for every cafe to have, because most cafes have either a yogurt bowl or a fruit bowl. They display images of an acai bowl, but they actually give yogurt and add some blueberry compote or add blueberry frozen blueberries in it, give it a purple color, and some even call it acai bowl without in reality adding acai. And
do we have more sellers in Delhi other than you? I mean,
nobody who's doing the real acai.
Okay. A lot of brands are selling acai, but nobody is actually selling acai.
Now imagine I give you a mango shake and I don't add mangoes in it.
Yeah, just the syrup.
Yeah. वो येलो कलर की ड्रिंक है और मैं पूरा मैंगो शेक है.
सिरप भी छोड़ो, वो सिरप भी नहीं है.
हाँ, फ्लेवर ही नहीं है.
Most people think a combination of some base or yogurt with granola, peanut butter, fruits, that's the whole combination platter is called an acai bowl. Acai is a berry. Let me just, for all our viewers, let me just clarify.
Sure.
It's a berry which is organically, it's a 100% organic product.
Okay.
Grown only in the Amazon rainforest. And most of that area is accessed through Brazil. So we say it's a Brazilian superfood. We wanted to create a QSR based on a superfood, a healthy superfood, basically. And objective was such that we want to bring a healthy category in India, sell it to B2B cafes. But we went to me and Anmol. I remember we meeting so many chefs, executive chefs, senior chefs of very, very good cafes.
That was the time.
And we kept explaining them, but they said, boss, we don't know the product. और हम कैसे बेचें, हम समझा के थक
You remember the executive chefs calling this product acai bowl. Acai bowl, हाँ मैंने सुना है. I've heard it somewhere. I've had it somewhere, but I don't know what exactly that is.
But वही है, reality है, knowledge actually उनको थी नहीं. तो लगा कि अब इसको बेचने का हम माल तो मंगा लिया. मंगाने के बाद अब करना क्या है? 1 महीना, 2 महीना, 3 महीना हम सोच रहे हैं. मन था that एक outlet खोलना चाहिए, but there was always a hesitation in my mind that how should I open a retail outlet without having any knowledge about it? I'm not a chef. He's not a chef. We come from very, very different backgrounds, different experiences. Started looking into GK1, GK2 market, all the trending places of Delhi NCR. But Gurgaon भी सोचा, but Gurgaon was very far from me. I said कि भाई मैं तो Gurgaon जहाँ मैं जा नहीं सकता वहाँ मैंने खोलना नहीं. So we found one spot in Khan Market, but the owners were absolutely hesitant on opening that outlet because maybe there were a lot of compliance issues and they were not very comfortable with it.
Okay.
So we got all the compliances done, making sure every single box is ticked before we come into the market. We entered the market with zero experience on how to operate a store, on how to manage the inventory, on how to do anything and everything around it.
Okay.
Mercedes wants to bring a car to India. They first create and show you the experience, give you the experience. Similarly, we thought we'll make an experience center in Delhi, in Khan Market, because it is the central most point of the city. And most diplomats live around. And this is their go-to market.
Familiarity, basically.
But were you already attributing health to, let's say, premiumization because वो पता था कि अब वो जो healthy takers हैं कैटेगरी के वो वहीं मिलेंगे.
वो एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. हेल्दी की भी मैं प्रॉब्लम बताऊं तो वो मैं अभी उस पे आता हूं. बट माय फादर बेसिकली एज आई सेड ही गाइडेड अस कि यार इसको गिव इट अवे फॉर फ्री for almost I think for 20 days.
More than 20, I would say almost a month.
Almost a month. We said no to nobody. जिसको आना है स्ट्रॉबेरी, ब्लूबेरी, रास्पबेरी, जो डलवाना है डलवाओ. Anything and however way you want it, you eat it.
Okay.
So the kind of push we got because of that, I think it was spectacular.
Okay.
Second, location. Khan Market is a big market. आप वहाँ पे कहीं पे भी खोलो, शायद चलता, शायद नहीं चलता. But because we opened where we did, there is a roll guy, some kebab guy next to us. There is another kebab guy ahead of us. So this lane is for eating outlets, eateries only.
Okay.
Whereas anywhere else you go, there is no grab and go concept in the market. For anything, if you want to eat anything anywhere, you have to go inside, sit down, place an order. He'll bring something for you in 10 minutes, 5 minutes. तो grab and go में वो 2 रोल की दुकानें थी और कुछ था ही नहीं यार. तीसरे हम आए. The good thing is that we have regulars coming in all the way from Faridabad, Gurgaon. Every night, every evening, they come to us and they say कि यार.
That's something that I want to know, Manav, because you mentioned healthy. See, I also watch a lot what I eat. But regardless of where you are eating, if you're eating out, वो एक doubt रहता ही है with regards to we don't know the calories, we don't know the flavors, we don't know the mixers or the sweeteners. Are you saying that anybody who's willing to maybe try out acai for once can do it guilt-free, absolutely guilt-free?
The best part about what we sell is that everything is cut fresh right in front of you. Everything is clean. The dry fruits are dry fruits, right? Now, if you want an indulgent or a not so healthy bowl, you can have that as well.
Okay.
right? You can add Nutella, you can add chocolate chips, Belgian chocolate chips and everything. Like you can make it super indulgent. That maza aa gaya, dessert kha. But if you really want to get into the health part or you want to count your calories, obviously you know अगर इतना मैं dry fruit ले रहा हूँ या इतने cashews डलवाएं, तो obviously that's rich in calories.
Sure.
Good fact, but then you need to level it up.
Yeah.
तो वो आपके ऊपर है. We've left that on the customer or our guests कि जो बनवाना है आप अपने हिसाब से बनवाओ.
नहीं, harmful कुछ नहीं is what the
Yes.
real apprehensions are, especially
Harmful
in
तो
this day.
definitely.
Yeah.
देखो, again this is subjective. If you send a diabetic patient और उसको बोलो कि आप एक diabetic patient अगर एक fruit भी खा ले कोई, उसकी sugar spike आएगी.
Right.
So healthy is subjective. Something which is healthy for you may not be healthy for me. We try to create a healthy product. We've not added sugar. We've added fresh. Globally, any and every place that sells acai adds lots of sugar to it because naturally the fruit is very bitter.
Yeah.
So this is actually made out of acai seed. It looks like a blueberry,
Okay.
but from the inside, it's the whole. You see the whole seed. So it's basically the surface is acai. The surface is something that we extract.
Okay.
We freeze it and we export to India.
Right.
So it's a very bitter fruit. So you need to. The reason why acai is served in a bowl with all those things added, so that the combination of flavors
Sure.
is something you can consume.
Okay. Okay. How did somebody who, like you mentioned, somebody into food supply chain and you know doing hardcore family business, get drawn to the idea of doing a very consumer-based, consumer-facing lifestyle brand?
We did not want to, as I said. We had no intention to. We wanted to get into the B2C space. We got into this by accident. Not by accident, but we, you know, it was a process.
Sure.
So, पहली मतलब the kind of obscene rent we were paying. I
Yeah.
think Manhattan में भी शायद वो rent नहीं होगा जो हमें space का दे रहे हैं.
What does it take to kind of get a space in Khan Market, if we can talk?
A lot of money, I would say, and a lot of contact.
And a lot of background checks. Like they don't give it to anybody because obviously the owner would, you know, think twice कि वो आप पे भी कर पाओगे नहीं. आज नहीं, 6 महीने बाद. आपका business नहीं चला, so of course they don't want people, you know, coming in and going out.
Yeah.
And जैसा कि वो बात हुई थी कि market क्या हुआ था, the B2C space we had to get in just to create that market because we were not able to convince the people.
क्या
B2B
करें?
बेचने वालों के लिए कैसे दिखाओगे कि ये कैसे बिकता है? And we could not go to every restaurant and every chef or executive chefs कि ये देखिए जी, बना के दिखाते हैं. We could not bring the whole setup.
Yeah.
Everybody compares it with ice cream.
Yeah.
Problem is because it's a frozen product. Everybody would compare it to an ice cream. अब क्या समझाओ आप?
Yeah.
आप आ जाओ, we'll make you experience the product.
Yeah.
Because I can't carry 30 plus ingredients
Yeah.
to your outlet, make you try all of them. So
What do you think it's going to take for you to create more awareness about the product in general at first?
more outlets. We're adding more outlets.
Okay.
पहले एक छोटा outlet किया, तो उसके बाद second outlet adjoining खोला, so we doubled our space. So we have a few more outlets lined up.
And do you now have an encouraging sample size to be able to then kind of double
Yes.
down on your efforts?
Of course.
Yeah.
Now we have the team. Our focus was to build our foundation very strong,
Sure.
so that it's easier for us to scale. Our SOPs are now quite strict, quite strong. Our team is very robust now, and they know exactly what they're supposed to do, how they're supposed to do.
Okay.
I remember the initial days. हम ही सड़क पे खड़े होके मतलब लोग कहते थे कि यार तुम लोग काम क्या क्या चल रहे हैं, तुम्हारा काम थोड़ी ना है वहाँ पे मार्केट में सड़क पे खड़े होके देखना कि भाई ठेकेदार क्या कर रहे हैं और ये क्या कर रहे हैं. बट आई थिंक इट वाज मोर पैशन ड्रिवन.
Sure.
एक काम आप करते हो बिकॉज आप काम कर रहे हो, एंड दूसरा कभी कभार एक देयर इज अ पैशन इन यू दैट यू वांट टू फॉलो एंड यू.
But it's a very niche category that
Yes.
In itself.
And also the price point, अगर आप देखो, it's we're selling at we in fact very recently we started at 285, but initially we were selling at 450, 500 and 600
Yeah.
का price point. It's still the same price, but we started a smaller
Yeah, like an introductory
product.
But to be able to penetrate within the mass markets, if you're not looking at mass markets, people in general in India would obviously have a couple of doubts about कि यार मैं fruits के 500 रुपए दे रहा हूँ, वो barrier break कर रहा हूँ, वो mental barrier है.
आप ये देखो how the market is changing. even if you consider cost of fuel right now,
Right.
how is that increasing? You talk about Strait of Hormuz. कैसे पूरी दुनिया में impact आया है? So honestly, I would say people pay around 1,500 for a drink at a bar in Delhi. You go to any good
I
bar.
agree.
1,500 to 2,000 rupees, and then you compare to a meal, which comes at rupees 445.
Compare it with ice cream.
Yeah.
लोग कहते हैं वो ice cream एक scoop 200 का दे रहा है, 300 का दे रहा है. We say it's not a dessert.
Right.
Brother, it's a meal. Replace your breakfast with this. Replace your lunch with this, or your probably dinner with this.
Right.
I still remember one of my very close associates. I was very conservative, not conservative, but I was very hesitant कि मैं इतना बड़ा step ले रहा हूँ. क्या ये सही है, गलत है? इतना हाई रेंट, इतनी सी दुकान का, जो घुस के समझ ही नहीं आता कि मैं इधर उधर देखो तो यही है, मैं खड़ा हूँ और वही है दुकान, कुछ है ही नहीं अंदर. तो चलेगी नहीं चलेगी. यहाँ बिग चिल है. बिग चिल जो मार्केट, खान मार्केट का नाम शायद बिग चिल की वजह से है, मतलब इतनी पुरानी, सिंस माय कॉलेज डेज, स्कूल डेज, सबसे आ रहे हैं. तो इसके आगे हम लोग कैसे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं अपने आप को? तो मुझे उस आदमी ने बोला दैट जिस दिन आपकी डॉटर मार्केट में आके बोलेगी कि मुझे लाइफ पेरी पे आसाई बोल खाना है, उस दिन आपको आपके सवाल का जवाब खुद मिल जाएगा. And I'm very proud to say she is a daily consumer of acai. Every day we would have an argument कि बेटा मैं आज नहीं जा सकता, I have a lot of work to do. But she'd be the one who'd say कि मैंने रोज आना है.
Great. But given the aspirational benchmarks, would you be okay if this stays as a niche territory in the premium markets, and you can scale within the markets available?
Of course,
Yeah.
nothing good comes cheap. We have to understand there's a very big gap in the consumer market where people say they want healthy food. They don't want to pay for healthy food. They say they want something that is healthy. And also when they consume it, they don't want to consume healthy food.
Right.
Because palate allow नहीं करता.
हाँ.
तो ये हेल्दी एंड नॉन हेल्दी का ना एक बहुत ही अजीब सा आर्ग्यूमेंट है कि कस्टमर आके बोलता है कि मुझे हेल्दी खाना है, लेकिन उसको हेल्दी खिलाओ तो उसको हेल्दी खाना नहीं है.
He is not buying the nutrition but the perception of it.
उसको परसेप्शन चाहिए. मैं अलग दिमाग का हूँ, मुझे परसेप्शन के साथ साथ मुझे प्रोडक्ट भी हेल्दी देना. आइडिया बिटवीन द बोथ ऑफ अस वाज वेरी क्लियर फ्रॉम डे वन. आई विल नॉट put any ingredient on the menu which I am not comfortable having the knowledge that I do about the whole category that I will not allow my daughter to consume.
Right.
So बहुत क्लियर था कि जो मैं कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ वो मैं दूसरे की फैमिली में भी किसी को अलाउ नहीं करता. कंफर्टेबल नहीं हूँ, मैं कर ही नहीं सकता, तो मैं गलत नहीं कर सकता किसी के साथ.
Before it even came to a brand, Manav, or let's say even a product, there wasn't even a category, so you had to be the category creator.
Yeah.
Do you think it's been settled or it's been created to an extent जहाँ पर अब चल सकता है?
Suddenly all cafes in the city, in the country want acai on the menu. हर आदमी acai बेच रहा है या नहीं बेच रहा, वो acai बोल बेच रहा है. उसके अंदर acai है या नहीं, that can be a different story.
Even for us, जो category creation थी, the space when we opened it, like 2 months before that, we were the ones going to cafe restaurants and trying to pitch it. जैसे ही वो store खुला, and when the queues started, when people started lining outside the store, and when the Instagram hype also got created,
Right.
that is when I spotted a lot of the same restaurant owners coming at the store without even letting us know. हमें नहीं पता था कि वो आ रहे हैं, बता के नहीं आ रहे थे. All the famous restaurants, by the way, the good spots.
Right.
तो वो लोग बाहर आके acai bowl खा रहे थे. And when the conversation started, that they loved the product. कैसे करना है, कैसे कर सकते हैं, हमें भी रखना है. So the category was already a hit.
Sure.
Because the consumer loved it. It was not because we were pushing it कि आओ खाओ. It was the lines, the hype, and the taste of the product.
Yeah.
Most importantly, लोग जब भी ट्राई करते हैं 5 मिनट बाद 10 मिनट प्रोडक्ट फ्रोजन प्रोडक्ट है, फ्रोजन फ्रूट है, मेल्ट तो होगा, कहते हैं यार ये पिघल गया. तो आप पहला दिमाग में आता है कि आपको प्रोडक्ट चाहिए हेल्दी प्रोडक्ट मीन्स क्लीन इंग्रेडिएंट्स. क्लीन इंग्रेडिएंट्स मतलब देयर इज नथिंग इन इट विच विल जो उसको ओरिएंटेशन को या प्रोडक्ट को सेम रखे.
Right.
वो प्रोडक्ट नेचुरल है तो मेल्ट होगा और पिघलेगा. वेरेज अगर मैं उसमें बहुत सारे प्रिजर्वेटिव्स और इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऐसे कॉकटेल ऑफ लॉट ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाल दूं तो वो 1 घंटा मेल्ट भी नहीं होगा. आज की डेट में जितनी कमर्शियल आइसक्रीम्स है,
Right.
they don't melt.
Would you be okay I'm not saying compromising, but would you be okay kind of adding more variety to the menu to kind of be more palatable to the masses that may not necessarily align with the brand line, but then end of the
Our
day the
focus
PNL
is-
has to count.
Focus is very clear. We are selling acai only.
Okay.
The hero for me is acai. I want to promote healthy living. Yeah, we can create so many millions of permutations and combinations around it, but the hero will always remain acai. We
And acai
added.
stays healthy is what you're saying.
It's a superfood.
Yeah.
हम एक फास्ट सुपर फूड कैटेगरी क्रिएट करना चाह रहे हैं. फास्ट फूड नहीं, फास्ट सुपर फूड. तो ये कैटेगरी ग्रैब एंड गो QSR कॉन्सेप्ट में आई डोंट थिंक एग्जिस्ट करती है. बहुत लोग क्लेम करते हैं,
Right.
बट एक्चुअली बहुत लोग लेबल भी people have the audacity to write things on the label which or maybe hide things.
Completely lying on the label.
जिसके आजकल FSSAI के नोटिसेस भी जा रहे हैं बहुत
आजकल
सारे.
सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स भी काफी हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं.
सो बहुत चीज़ें हैं, बट P&L पे सेकेंडरी है. पहला मार्केट क्रिएट करना. ऑब्जेक्टिव इज कि जिस दिन आप बोलो from I don't know how old you are, but we kind of come from the generation where we've been eating aloo parathas for breakfast,
Sure.
to
Yeah, same generation.
yogurt, to to
Yeah,
eating
chole
acai
bhature
bowls,
and
chole
chole
bhature,
bhature has been
samosa,
our
ये सब,
breakfast,
या आलू पूरी, ये सब चीजें खाई हैं. मतलब ये generations का ना हम mix हैं, ना उधर के रहे और ना इधर के भी. we're just trying to fit in here and there. तो वो चीजें सारी देखने के बाद जब ये कैटेगरी करी, where a person like you or your daughter or your son, if there is, और किसी का भी बच्चा हो,
Not yet. Yeah.
वो ब्रेकफास्ट में बोले कि पापा आई वांट टू हैव एन acai bowl for breakfast. So you quickly browse through any quick com app, order it. 10 मिनट में acai bowl आपके पास आएगा. It will be a 150 ml or a 200 ml scoopable acai, like ice cream. It is not ice cream.
Okay.
Same product. मतलब acai ही होगा. और आप उसको अपने bowl में डाल के you press it on the bowl, prepare it with whatever toppings you feel is healthy for your child. और whatever ingredients that are available in your home.
True.
बनाना सबके घर में होता ही होता है. पीनट बटर हो या ना हो, बट बनाना तो आई थिंक हर हाउस होल्ड में होता ही होता है. ग्रेनोला भी जब acai bowl खाओगे तो वो भी मंगा ही लोगे. पीनट बटर भी मंगा लोगे. सो आपके जो भी परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन यू वांट टू मेक, यू कैन मेक इट. और you also make a smoothie.
You've already gone B2B with the product?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So that is B2C. What this model that we talk about is B2C. एक हो गया retail format. Second is B2B, which we've started. We started with a pilot with a few cafes. Excellent response. We're in fact increasing our production capacity at the back because we did not anticipate the demand like this. And no company gives us a lead time. मतलब machines अगर लेनी है तो 30 to 45 days का lead time हर जगह ही है.
Okay.
तो इतने हमारे पास orders back to back हैं that हम production, our demand is way ahead of production. So we're still trying to manage and figure out.
What about e-commerce?
E-commerce, we're setting up the packaging because the density of the product is almost 2.5 times than ice cream. So any plastic tub that we use for packaging, it kind of breaks.
Sure.
Yeah,
With
minus 18
logistics.
degrees, like frozen, so it
It's
does
a very
not hold.
it's a very hard product. तो इसलिए we're trying to crack the, we've actually cracked it, but because इन सब चीज़ों में थोड़ा सा time लगता है. But I think the next 2-3 months you'll have, you can order it on any quick commerce platform.
But you may have already thrashed out your scaling plan.
Oh, yeah,
your,
yeah. We have,
the trajectory for the next 5 years. What
5 years,
is
10 years, मतलब we plan to.
Give us an idea of where are things and where are you headed.
So आज जितने restaurants, जितने cafes खुल रहे हैं, any place that sells breakfast and coffee is my potential customer. How I want to put it as simple as that.
Okay.
With everybody's growth, I am automatically growing. I believe in creating the next unicorn in this category because ये कोई कर ही नहीं रहा. और अगर कोई सोचता है करने का तो I don't think कॉपी कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I also took inspiration from some various from the US, from the Middle East, from so many countries. तो मेरे से किसी को सीखना है सीखो, and I'm very happy to show them around and make them learn. और मेरा पैशन कोई नहीं ले सकता मेरे से. जो मेरी 18 years का एक्सपीरियंस है मेरे को in the F&B category, the supply chain, the cold chain that we've cracked the hard way, वो nobody can take it from me. All people, मतलब आज इनफैक्ट हम इतने कैफेज में मिलते हैं, कहते हैं यार हमें फ्रूट्स भी दे दो, अब हमें बटर्स भी दे दो, हम सोचते हैं आपको हम दुकान ही ना लगा दे आपके लिए यहाँ पे एक कैटेगरी के लिए हम आए हैं। आज आप अपने कॉफ़ी वेंडर जो आपके पास आता है, जो कॉफ़ी आपको सप्लाई करता है या कोई भी रॉ मटेरियल देता है, वो रॉ मटेरियल देता है आपको। वैसे ही हम भी रॉ मटेरियल ही देना चाहते हैं। बट हर आदमी आके ना पहले बिजनेस मॉडल समझना शुरू हो जाता है, कहते हैं हम भी खोलेंगे तो बड़ा आसान है, करना क्या है, एक मशीन
100 फुट की जगह चाहिए, मशीन लगानी है, फ्रूट और ड्राई फ्रूट ही तो है।
Isn't that a real possibility for you to kind of
I
challenge?
get so many calls for franchises, you won't believe. क्योंकि जो स्टोर पे
Inbox
आते
is
हैं ना,
full.
yes, स्टोर पे आते हैं, they see the space, they see the setup, they see the lines. ये तो बहुत बढ़िया बिजनेस है, छोटी सी जगह, हमारे पास भी एक प्रॉपर्टी पड़ी है, वहाँ पे मैं खुलवा देता हूँ, वहाँ पे मैं एक खोल लेता हूँ। जयपुर, रायपुर, रैंडम
पंजाब,
प्लेसेस,
हर
जगह से लोग आते हैं, हमें
हैदराबाद, बैंगलोर, कहाँ से आते हैं।
But what's stopping them from creating one of their own?
आसाई।
पहला तो Asahi. See, it comes from Amazon. So the company that manages or actually processes 60% of acai grown in the entire region, 60% of exports out of Brazil is our partner.
Okay.
They work with us exclusively in the country. It took us more than 300 trials and still doing trials as we speak to make the product better.
Okay.
Without making it dirty. मतलब हर चीज़ जो प्रोडक्ट की प्रेजेंटेशन जैसे आ रही है, the way it is being poured onto the glass, such minute fine details पे जाया जाता है जो आम आदमी को लगेगा कि एक दुकान ही तो खोली है, एक काउंटर ही तो लगाया है, एक मशीन ही लगाई है, करना क्या था। ड्राई फ्रूट खारी बावली से मिल जाएगा, फ्रूट आजादपुर से मिल जाएगा, हम काट कूट के लगा देंगे, लगा लो। हम तो कहते हैं, और जितने लोग खोलेंगे, it's actually good for us because what was the whole objective of opening this store? To create awareness. That is what we want. That is why we're giving the product to all cafes. कि आप अपने मेन्यू में out of 50 different items on your menu, add acai as one of your product. Don't make it your only product. Make it as one of your product.
Okay.
And that is how if you will go, यार ये acai, akai क्या लिखा है, पूछेगा, ट्राई करेगा, खाएगा, अच्छा लगेगा, फिर जब नेक्स्ट टाइम खान मार्केट क्रॉस करेगा, कहते हैं हाँ यार ये तो acai दे रहे हैं।
And why didn't you name your brand something around acai? Why Life Berry?
It's life, as in, you know, it just resonates.
I know it's a superfood. It's a life ka berry. but
I would say it extends your life. So the term was pretty clear. Life वो product में है, वो जान देता है. So and of course berry came from the product itself.
Sure.
Acai is a berry. तो वो इस वजह से we had to come up with that name and थोड़ा resonate भी करे कि लोगों को समझ आए. अब now there are multiple other dessert brands in the country जो that have the name
that have the word
in it.
berry.
Yeah.
Right.
But of course वो हमारा ना competition है ना हमारा कोई मतलब कोई लेना देना उस product से.
One of the brands actually I was watching, you know, ever since we've started the brand, I've been very active on Instagram. One of this brand, I would like to name them, but they were talking about, you know, acai bowl, and they were teaching their audience on how to make an acai bowl. I saw the video, I shared it with the whole family. और हमने बोला यार इसमें acai तो डाल.
So there's a step-by-step tutorial where he is actually doing it in his store.
Yeah.
And end तक देखा acai कहाँ है? वही बात है कि mango shake बनाया, mango कहाँ है उसमें?
Mango तो डालो.
But are there any alternatives available in the market for acai?
See, it's a fruit. अब वो सेब अगर आप खा रहे हो, अब सेब का क्या ऑरेंज अल्टरनेटिव नहीं हो सकता. वो सेब ही रहेगा.
No, I'm saying if there are people who kind of get used to the taste that you guys have to offer, can they replicate the same taste without you having to use
No,
an acai?
You won't get the flavor, you won't get the texture, you won't get the color, everything.
Okay.
वो एक resemblance है. आप resemble कर वो जो ऐसे अभी भी चल रहा है blueberry compote with yogurt XYZ, you can do it.
Sure.
Color match करवा लोगे, but flavor, texture, वो feel जो है.
हमें देख के और भी बहुत ब्रांड्स दिख रहा है कि आने वाले हैं. कुछ लोगों ने तो हमारी इंस्टाग्राम की रील्स भी कॉपी करी है. तो देख के लगता है आज आप यू नो इफ माय वाइफ कैरीज एन एलवी बैग, तो ऐसा तो नहीं है ना मार्केट में कि नकली एलवी नहीं मिल रहा. वो नकली मिल रहा है क्योंकि रियल प्रोडक्ट इज एस्पिरेशनल. सो वी एक्चुअली टेक दैट, वी आर प्राउड ऑफ इट कि कोई हमें कॉपी कर रहा है. बिकॉज उस लायक बना प्रोडक्ट तभी लोग कॉपी कर रहे हैं, वरना कोई क्यों कॉपी करेगा.
But I'm assuming it's the consumers at large are Gen Zs, or no, you've got
You know,
across categories.
at
across
first
ages.
it happened. at first, because it's an Instagrammable product, starting में majorly female customers were there. Then these girls started bringing their parents along. Now the
they
parents
better
are the
off,
regular
or-
customers. Now Swiggy, Zomato, obviously we went live for all our deliveries as well. It's accessible throughout Delhi. So now what we see in the data is कि जो age group है ना वो mix है, वो सब कुछ है. Like out of nowhere there would be a 46-year-old lady in the store who's a regular because she goes to the market. वहाँ पे hair salons हैं तो वहाँ से निकल रही है, so obviously she comes in every alternate day. There are women who go for Pilates. They are our regular customers, different age group. Alright, कोई वो fix नहीं था. Starting में था Gen Zs, but because the product is indulgent
Yeah.
and it's tasty, obviously it appeals for the Instagram audience as well. So girls or boys, whoever. So they come and click pictures as well. Aesthetics hai, whatever.
No,
It looks good.
calories of watermelon is 30 per 100 grams. 30 calories per 100 grams. Get in watermelon, muskmelon, papaya. Also, papaya is I think 30-35. Calories you get in blueberries is 60 to 70 per 100 grams. Or in fact all berries, blueberries, raspberries, cherries, in सब में 60-70 grain में. Mango is I think slightly higher. But mango क्या है? Because you get to eat it in a larger volume, तो उससे calories ज़्यादा होती हैं. Sugar content is much higher. Calories in our acai is 70 per 100 grams. So when you come to the store and you want to have a calorie, if you're on a calorie deficit, so you can literally have a bowl, fill your tummy, have something which is sweetish, not particularly very sweet, but sweetish, and kind of enjoy it like an ice cream, but not an ice cream, and enjoy the same thing and without feeling guilty कि मैंने आज बहुत ज़्यादा calorie अपनी waste कर दी उस पे.
You know, on the similar lines, I kind of had some one-liner questions that I think would add more details to the prospects and the context that we're trying to set, especially around acai and your brand. Okay, let's go. If I give you one location in India tomorrow, money wasn't a problem, where would you open LiveBerry next?
My next place would definitely not be in Delhi, it would be in Mumbai, then in Bangalore, Hyderabad, most metro cities of the country.
Okay. If somebody copied LiveBerry tomorrow morning, what can they never copy?
They can never copy the quality of ingredients that we have.
Who is a tougher customer to build for? Someone who's health conscious or someone who's wealth conscious?
I would say no customers have been difficult for us so far. People who lack the knowledge are difficult customers, but health conscious people, they're our favorite customers.
What would you rather attach to acai as the positioning? A matcha-like wave or a niche sourdough-like habit?
Oh, definitely a sourdough-like habit.
Okay.
Matcha came and went, I don't know how and where.
Okay, what's an unnecessarily expensive cost attachment that customers willingly pay in the name of healthy eating?
Oh, I've got a big list with this. I've got a very, very long
Give
list.
me three.
See, ऐसे मैंने आपको बताया यार, healthy ना एक perception है. So बहुत लोग ये fads हैं market के. कोई कहता है मेरे को bee pollen चाहिए, कोई कहता है मुझे collagen चाहिए, कोई कहता है. I don't know if I should be saying this, but being healthy cannot be this difficult. It is so simple. आप घर का दाल, रोटी, पनीर खा के इतने healthy रह सकते हो. You don't need to eat all these fancy things to be healthy. ये ज्वार का रोटी, बाजरे का, all this ये नहीं जरूरत है.
ये wellness living वाला जो
हाँ,
concept है.
ये वो है ना, people are paying for the perception,
Yeah.
not the product.
Okay, and what's the one thing you know today that people will discover 5 years later and think they've discovered something revolutionary?
Oh, still, acai would be one of that products.
Okay.
So my wife basically manages she's the brain behind the marketing of LiveBerry.
Right.
And she's always had this different approach ki she does not want to follow the trend. She does not want to do what everybody is doing. So, I always had complete faith in her, and I was quite sure that, she studied marketing, she knows her thing. So I think my trust in her and our trust in her, she's his sister and my wife.
Yeah.
So, I think she's done a fabulous job in having that organic growth, because typically what happens today is when a lot of influencers come to your cafe, they say कि ये ऐसा है, you know, it's another hidden gem that I found in this part of Gurgaon or this part of Delhi, and they create an amazing reel with amazing visuals, amazing things happening around you, and when you go there yourself, you're so utterly disappointed because it looks nothing like what is shown to you on the phone with that kind of music, with that kind of vibe. It's nothing like that at all, and हमने वो expectations कभी बढ़ाई ही नहीं. So till date, we've not spent even a single buck on any form of marketing.
Yeah.
Whatever we've achieved, whatever Lifeberry has achieved, is all organic.
That is exactly why I actually kept the next set of one-liner questions for your wife and the marketing team, because I was also kind of intrigued to know how does a brand that is so niche in its positioning cater to the masses, especially in a market like India and North India. But otherwise, guys, one last thing from both of you, people watching you right now, who've obviously learned a lot about Asai, about Lifeberry. What is it that you want to tell them, if they're looking at you right now?
It looks amazing. It tastes even better, and it's a grab and go product. So the ideology has always been to just come, pick it up, and in 3 minutes, our focus has been to make it as fast as we can, and you're good to go. Try to bring it, try to add it to your daily routine. You'd realistically, not just saying it because it's my product, you'll see the benefits. You'll see the glow on your face. You'll notice your gut is drastically, your gut health is drastically improved, and it's going to do wonders. It's not called superfood for no reason. Try it before you judge.
Spoon it, love it, repeat. We're joined by actually Rupam, who's the mind behind the marketing of this wonderful brand called Lifeberry. And we were intrigued, we were talking for almost an hour, and we were so intrigued by, me in particular, by a lot of what you've been able to inculcate within the strategies, because it's a very unique brand, to be honest.
Yes.
Since we've already spoken so much about it, I'll just have a quick set of rapid fire questions for the both of you. So Rupam, you can't think too much, just answer.
All right.
Okay. One thing everybody thinks they know about Khan Market, but they're completely wrong.
They always think that it's a very niche market, only specific to certain people or age groups. That's the wrong thing about it.
Okay. What's one thing about a Khan Market regular that only a founder operating here would notice?
The walking street. I see a lot of women falling on the street because the flooring is not straight.
Yeah.
So women wearing high heels, I see at least 1 or 2 of them tripping every day.
Yes.
That's a very important tip for the ladies watching.
So, yeah.
Okay. Rupam, one brand in Khan Market you genuinely admire as a customer?
I think Bhavya Ramesh has newly opened. That's very good for accessories and something to eat. Big Chill has always been everyone's favorite.
Build slowly or scale aggressively?
Build slowly,
but stably.
But the right product. Focus is always delivering the right product. Mass, quality always speaks over quantity.
Habit or trend?
Definitely a habit. That's what we are living on.
Exclusivity or accessibility?
Accessibility is more important for me now.
Health or indulgence?
Health. I can't say that on this platform.
Retail or hospitality?
Retail.
Instagrammable or memorable?
Memorable.
Routine but thriving or exciting but bumpy?
Routine but thriving.
Perfect product or perfect experience?
I think it has to be a combination of both.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Category leader or category creator?
Creator and leader both.
To create first.
Yeah.
You've got to lead, you've got to create the product.
Trust or aspiration?
Trust.
One food you'll defend forever, no matter what nutrition science says.
Acai is life. So.
One healthy food you personally can't stand?
I can't stand oats.
Okay. One ingredient that's become unnecessarily glamorous?
Matcha.
Yeah.
Ube.
Ube.
Okay. One thing customers think is healthy but it isn't?
What can that be? Tea?
It's not healthy.
It's not
depends.
healthy. Depends actually.
Okay. One thing you've quietly removed from the menu because customers just didn't get it?
So we had a matcha bowl. It was selling for a few for people who it was a daily ritual for, but masses did not accept it as much as the product.
Okay.
So
Matcha bhau, yeah.
yeah, so we started. Initially, we did not have these two bowls, but we added mango bowl later on. After that, we added a bowl called Sun Life, which is made using Sun Gold kiwi fruit.
What's the one product you know would sell like crazy, but you refuse to launch?
Something which is very sweet. So it can be
Biscoff sauce and all these,
exactly.
you know,
it will sell very
yeah,
well,
yeah.
you know,
but,
those cookie sauces
Yeah.
and all those, you know, there's a whole bunch of
Lot
all
of
these
ingredients like
indulging sauces, but I don't want to. And honestly, we've added one chocolate sauce from a very common brand, but
Yeah.
I personally don't want to keep it. But you know, so many kids come in,
Yeah.
they like it like that, so
there was a whole point of discussion about what to give with our coffee. And we thought about it, and this man came up with the new idea that I want to give dates, like real dates to
Yeah.
people, no cookies, nothing, no crackers. I want to give healthy only because he was insistent that it has to be healthy. So cookie you cannot control, you'll get it made from somewhere or someone. This you can control, you can
Right.
give the best quality dates to people.
Right.
So everything has to be around that, everything has to be indulgent yet healthy.
Wonderful. But that's good to know, Manav, that you're standing your ground and you're actually standing
Yes,
for what you
definitely.
want to sell. That's
focus is very clear.
That's great. I mean, I'd be very, very excited to see where you are 5 years down the line. But more power. And again, thank you so much for being here. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Yeah.